eye-opening experience.
Very organized.
Everything is so big.
Aslında Zoomlion'ın benim için doğru yer olduğunu düşünüyorum. Doğru noktada, doğru yerde olduğumu düşünüyorum. Özellikle buraya geldikten sonra firma çalışanlarının deniz aşırı ülkelerdeki çalışanlara ne kadar değer verdiğini, onların gelişimi için, eğitim programları için ne kadar emek verdiklerini ya da geri bildirimlerin ne kadar önemli olduğunu burada canlı canlı görebildikten sonra evet, gerçekten Zoomlion'da olmak benim için doğru diye söyleyebildim.
One of my biggest gain from this training was the opportunity to meet and exchange with colleagues from different countries, give me a deeper understanding of how Zoomlion operates both in China and internationally.
所以我们持续推进全球员工赋能与成长项目，搭建一个无国界的成长平台，让不同肤色、不同语言的同事能够共享资源、拓宽视野、提升能力，为我们企业全球化发展筑牢根基。全球双一线会师活动架起了一座双向交流的桥梁，让境外本地员工与后台同事能够充分的互通。我们希望每一位员工不再是各自为战的执行者，而是打破区域和岗位壁垒的业绩共创者。
This training has been an eye-opening experience that expands my perspective of be part of a global company like Zoomlion.
And the thing is, we are visiting the factories, and I believe seeing is believing.
And I would say that this is the real investment that the Zoomlion has done for their overseas platform, overseas staff, and this has given us the confidence that that our Zoomlion company is investing, and they are like keen to understand the problems, the issues that, and understand the situation that is happening in the region.
When you see that you are growing so fast, like a Zoomlion name is a roaring lion, the aggression is there, the technology is there. We are achieving so many milestones already and going ahead for the future by adding so many things like approaching across the world with the AI, with the technology, and we have a R&D there who's working day by day, day and night.
And you can come to the factory and you can see what we are doing and how we are precising and how we are managing things, and we are trying to improve the R&D and giving you the best quality machines for use in your country, and the services and all the things, the team we have, the HQ we have, the smart city we have, it's all very impressive.
So once we are here, so we are able to get the skills, understand the capabilities and the strength of the Zoomlion here in China, and this would help us to go back in our region and transfer that knowledge to the team and to the service people, and let us build the bigger, better team in our region. Just like here, I would congratulate the management and the team who have decided to bring up this initiative, and this has been truly a tremendous experience.
You can see this mini excavators, and I have tried all the action and the movement for this machine. The thing that brings my attention is that the accuracy in its movement. So I have tried this and I am surprised in its accuracy when I move the machine on the right.
We are very big impression with the beast back of side. You see this one excavator for 200 ton and then 400 ton also. So now I'm still working on it, dealing for the 200 ton, the first delivery in Indonesia. I try to make deal for this one.
After going back to my country, I'll gather everyone from my country and letting them know what the company is thinking, what they're planning for you, and what is the future combinedly. Within the Zoomlion, there are a lot of things. There is the learning, there is the growth, there is the potential. You can do anything, and sky is the limit.
我们做全球员工的赋能轮训，让我们员工在公司平台上实现个人的成长，更让企业以负责任的姿态能够深入扎根当地的市场发展，终能实现员工成长、企业发展、区域共赢的长期目标。